What's up guys, you can call me Rizzo. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some computer content for you. Now I may have glossed over this build in my previous build logs for my main computer, but this build has actually been done for a couple of months now. I just haven't had time to take pictures or record any videos of it in its finished state. But here it is. We're gonna do some B-roll for the whole build log, and then we're going to give you the specs at the end of the video. So the main meat and potatoes of this computer are actually the spare parts I had laying around in my display mantle. Stuff that I've accumulated throughout the years, and it's meant to be a secondary system, something that I could either use as a streaming PC. I'm going to put all of my VR and racing sim peripherals onto this particular PC to kind of reduce the clutter that I have on my main. And then also something that my kids could use as well. There's also two other computers built for each of them as well. There's out of three, so they all have something to use and play with and use for school as well whenever they're with me. So that's pretty cool for them. The system is running off of a 4790K delidded with my old GTX 1080, 32 gigs of RAM, I believe. Overall, the build wasn't too bad for a case that's about 10 years old now. This is probably one of the last pre-builts I purchased from way back when. I wasn't all about computers back in the day. I was into cars and all of that stuff. So between that and getting to kind of play around and be creative creative with trying to use like some new school stuff, or how to cable manage and how to use the acrylics to make a cable management panel, getting to do my own cables and cable sleeving, along with cutting and creating another panel to mount the front fans in it as well, so that you could introduce some front airflow where the case never really had. I hope you enjoyed the computer content. I hope you enjoyed this build log video. I know it's a little bit different compared to my previous, where I normally cut it up into separate episodes. This kind of was one whole from the beginning to end. This surely won't be the last one. There will be more. Guys, thank you again for watching. Hope to see you again next time.